Okay, I thought I'd add this in here. How these handles work. Get that out of the way. See how this side works, goes in and out. Well, it binds. It binds on the threads. This one, not so bad. Now this one doesn't have threads inside the thing here, okay? See how that can move? See that? Hear that ice cream truck going by. I swore I heard it playing Christmas music one day. See how this one has threads? Well, it jams up. You get out here, you try to get it where you want it. I even tried this approach. Like say start here. And go like that. So you gotta fidget with it. Because I got it to work down on a smaller tap. Okay. And it says it'll go from 1/8 to 1/2 inch tap. But for $10, I'll find a better handle someday. I didn't hear the ice cream truck. Hope my radio's turned down. Let's just make a separate video out of this. Said there's no threads on this side. And they're backwards. You'll get confused. You'll get frustrated. Like I said, you're trying to center it on the handle. You don't want the handle to be off. It's just almost impossible to do. I end up going over here like this. To one side. Because if I didn't, this was so floppy. I had to tighten out the vice grips. Then I had to go over here and adjust this. So, maybe I'm doing it wrong. But it binds everywhere. The thread binds in here. The thread binds in here. This thread binds in here. But it's what I think of the cheap $10 carbon tap set. The little cheapy handle. So, this may be a separate video. I said, when I buy something that's junk, I'm going to let everybody know it's junk. I'm not embarrassed to admit I bought some cheap tool that's not up to standards. But you get what you pay for. I mean, for $10, I'm not complaining there. I have a nice T-handle somewhere for beggar taps. I don't know how small it will go down to. It's for beggar taps. It's a real nice old one. Enough of that. Enough of the creepy ice cream truck. I'm sorry, but it creeps me out because I heard it playing Christmas music one day. I know I'm not insane. I am not crazy. Thanks for watching.